Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jane. So today I'm going to be showing you how to reel your thread and also fix your bobbin to your tabletop sewing machine. So you can place your thread here. Next thing, you roll the thread into your reeler this just a little bit and then pass it this way. Please watch closely. Just pass it this way and then fix it to this point here. Then you push it to the right and then you're all set. All you have to do is to press your pedal and then it will keep rolling and rolling and rolling. And then when you're done, all you have to do is to stop pressing your pedal. Push it back to your left now and then cut it out. Then to fix it to this bobbin, it's just the same way you fix it to your manual sewing machine. So you just place it and then push it in. By now, I'm sure you'd have watched my other video on how to thread the machine. So all you need to do is to use your top control and then pull the thread, the one below, up this way, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video. Thank you and do have a blessed day.